Hello everybody, BLG here. Another curious experiment. This here, you recall, I did a video about demonstrating Ronco Showtime rotisserie and barbecue. Okay? Well, I was curious, why is there broiling grill tray in here? So I'm trying to barbecue. The rotisserie's over here. I'm going to try to barbecue in this chicken. And I set it for the basket. It doesn't say anything. Look, on the sides, it doesn't say anything about barbecue. Why is that down there? So I've got some chicken down in there. And I'm going to move it back away from the heater. As I can see, it's already starting to get dark. But I just went with the regular thing, right? Here, let's let you watch. It's starting to get dark already on the back. See? Starting to get dark back there already. So I'm gonna move this out a little bit, like that. And I went with the 45-minute mark for basket cooking because it sounded better than the rotisserie was like a half hour for this 2 pounds I put it on. So we're trying 45 minutes. We're down to just about a half hour, 15 minutes so far. I'm just experimenting. I want to see why the hell do you have, I have to keep looking at the oven to think of what this pan is called. A broiling pan in here if you can't use it as a barbecue. It's supposed to be rainy today and it's spitting on and off. It's not doing much, but I want to see what this does. So, I'll keep you updated as it goes. And by God, maybe I can prove that is what this pan, the broiling pan, is in there for. So far, it looks like it's working. So, we'll see. I'm going to baste it down with a little bit of barbecue sauce and some of the, this is some of the sauce we marinated in. Teriyaki and garlic powder and onion powder. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. We'll see how this goes. Maybe we can teach you people, yeah, you can use the broiling rack as a broiler. Looks good to me so far. So yeah, see you later. Okay folks, they're going. I gave them a little rotate. I'm going to kind of keep spinning them and turning them as they go, but so far so good, I guess. It's cooking it. We'll see. We'll see. Alright folks, I just turned them again. Start working on the legs. It looks like we got, that says about 17 minutes to go. This isn't cooked yet. But it's doing what I need. I'm guessing on the timing. So we'll go from there. Oh yeah, they're starting to look like they're working, folks. They are. I'm going to start basting some barbecue sauce on these bad boys. Look at this. It says it's got about 5 minutes to go. By golly, it's cooking them. I'm going to baste them up with some barbecue sauce and probably give them a little bit more time or whatnot, but we'll see. We'll see. Look at there, folks. Just got done slathering. A little barbecue. I'm going to give them a little bit longer. God says it's got a couple of minutes, but I'm just going to let them go a couple of minutes and sit. And we'll temp them out and see what we get. Look at that. Yes. I like it. Just kicked it on for another 5 minutes. See? 5 or 10 minutes or something. Let them slather up. I just noticed it shut off. No, kicked it on for just about another 5 or 10. I want a little bit of caramelizing going on here on those. So we'll see you back here. Those are going to get done. Those are going to get done. It's going to be amazing. Cool. Alright folks, looks like we're looking good. Let's get the probe out. Bend over. This could sting a little bit. We're going to poke these and see how much they poke. Let's see, yeah. See how much they temp up. 165 would be good. See what we get here. I don't have the tripod. I'm just going to have to stop you. I'll be right back. I'll probe them up and see what we got. Hey folks, we are back. It's a bit sloppy because we don't have control for the barbecue sauce and stuff. It made a mess, but I'll tell you what, that broiler pan in there, it works. Look at this here. Look at that shit right there. This is mine. That's hers. In a Ronco Showtime Rotisserie and Barbecue. Yes, that will barbecue. This, about an hour. Done. And it just kept rotating the pieces. Perfect in an hour. Done. A little, not even crisp because I've been marinating it and stuff. So, I like this little crunch. And you notice hers isn't quite as much. I like that little char on there. But pretty good. It worked. I think it worked pretty well. So, I'm going to tent this on up. Let it rest a little bit. That'll let all the juices rest back into it. And I believe I will see you back here in the next exciting video. I am BLG for Hands On with BLG. I am righty. And I am lefty. See you next time, folks. Goodbye. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around